Hi guys, welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera pasocial media. Our number one journalist Hopewell chinono achinyomba Zanupf ED team yevarakashadedzera kuti kune mayouth have got a special message kwamuri. Tizai Zanupf iri kuuraya zvese, iri kuponda, iri kukanganisa, hapana kana chiri kubuda kana vari kuluta. Vanokudza kuti we are the police, we are the soldiers, saka muchaita sei? Handisi guys munoti kudini zvazvopera dedzera kuti Zimbabwe will never recover economically as long as Emerson Mnangagwa and Zanupf are in power. Even if America, Europe and Asia were to give Zimbabwe every product for free, Mnangagwa would sell it to us a price inodhura. He is a president, a country should not have, never have. Hanzi iya nyango mukapuwa zvinhu mahara neAmerica neEurope neAsia arongokutengeserai because Zimbabwe rekupedzisira. Aendera mberi Hopewell akadedzera kuti he has stolen billions of dollars through his criminal cartels. The problem is made worse by the fact that he is not only a thief but an incompetent one. Without a strong opposition to challenge the status, nothing will ever change. Zvataurwa naHopewell. Aendera mberi akati I have a message for Zimbabwean youth: get a passport and leave. Zanupf will be in power until at least 2030 because there is no structured and united opposition to fight. Munochembera makamirira change. I have high school classmates who are still living in their parents' home with their wives and kids who also have their own kids. It is painful to see 3 generations living in under one roof. Ndozvataurwa naChinyono. Adedzera kuti chii chakadaro chinenge ngozi taneta. Munongoziva mega Zanupf have been yabatwa pakawanda kunana gold mafia, vana Sewikne muri kuvaona, the list goes on, vana Mike Chimombe, vana Philip Chiyangwa. Thank you so much.